Why are we all here today? What are we celebrating? Flag Day.
The flag of the UAE stands for
Today we stand together to celebrate UAE Flag Day, a day that fills every Emirati with heart, pride and every resident's heart with gratitude.
Black is for a stronger mind. In case they try and cross the line, we'll stand strong with our flag high.
White is for making peace. Let's make friends, not enemies, so we can live in harmony.
Red is for bravery. We're not afraid to take the lead to make sure our country's free. Green is for happiness. Spread the joy, but don't forget to also love yourself. The flag of the UAE stands for Arabian unity.